what's up there, crew? Matt here with TRW. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to make an awesome hustle design doing a tone-on-tone black Caesar brick heat transfer vinyl with a black next level shirt that I think is going to be looking pretty cool. It's not going to jump out, but that's the whole point of that tone-on-tone, so it doesn't jump out and you can see it from different angles. And then we're going to use the wizard to give that kind of negative effect to make it look really sweet. So what we need to do is we need to head over to the Corel Draw in the TRW Design Wizard, create the design like that, and then we'll get it cut on the Graphtec, press it on the Hotronix Auto Clam, and see how sweet this thing looks. Alright, so now we're over here in the TRW Design Wizard in Corel Draw. I'm just going to go to my text tool. I'm going to take out hashtag hustle, just using an impact font, basic font. We're going to make this a little bit larger. I'm going to come over to my text effects. I want to do a flat shadow, and then with the flat shadow, I'm going to throw it at an angle here, hit apply, and it's going to look like that. However, I want to do a little bit different. I want to create a negative effect and hit apply, and check that out. How sweet is that, and how simple was that? So now that we have this, 11.7 inches, pretty good. Let's maybe make it a little bit taller. We want to go at an angle like that. So I would say we're good to go, about 11.7 inches. I want it big on this shirt, but in the brick heat transfer vinyl to give that texture look to it. So now we want to get this cut ready. I go to templates. I'm going to do my vinyl overcut. It's going to give me my weed box and my mirror. And then let's open up Cutting Master for our cut software for the Graphtec cutter. Alright, there we go. We got our file ready to cut. Got our weed box. It's mirrored for us automatically. We got a force of 20, a speed of 30. Let's go ahead and cut this thing. Alright, so my cut's finished up here. Let's go ahead and hit 1 to view it. That's going to bring my material out. And then with the Graphtec, I can just trim this here, but I could actually weave this right here if I wanted to as well. So let's just grab the edge right here, and I can just start peeling this off. So the way that the Graphtec cuts, and with our vinyl overcut feature in the TRW Design Wizard, this is how easy this brick heat transfer vinyl should weed every time. And we're good. Alright, so we got our brick heat transfer vinyl here. I got my next level shirt here. So lining up the shirt, you guys know I don't like to spend a lot of time on that. Drag my shirt up, check my sides. That looks pretty good there. I'm going to go ahead and come down for a quick little pre-press, about 2 to 3 seconds, get the moisture and the wrinkles out. And now I'm going to grab my design here, and all I do is I look at my armpit. I know I want it to go right across the middle of the armpit, left edge, right edge. That looks pretty good. I'm good to press, okay? Don't spend a lot of time on this with a ruler, measuring it back and forth. Pretty good is good enough. So with this, I don't necessarily need a cover sheet. I have my carrier sheet protecting it. So I'm going to go down. Now with the brick heat transfer vinyl, I'm going to go down for a good 15 seconds to possibly 20 seconds here at around 315 to 320 degrees. Alright, good to go there. Now, the brick is a cold peel, so I'm going to let this cool a little bit here, and then we'll go ahead and peel this off. Alright, we should be cooled down enough. Let's go ahead and peel this back here. And there we go. I got a finished design. Alright, so that's it. My design is done. You can see how when I turn it at different angles, you can kind of see the brick heat transfer vinyl, but it doesn't stand out, but it also looks pretty freaking sweet. So what it really does is it draws more attention to your shirt as well, because if someone can't read it right away, you see them kind of looking at your shirt like, what does that say? And they're paying a lot more attention to your shirt, which if it's your business logo, advertising, something like that, even though you can't see it as good, it's not popping as much, it could actually get more attention for your business because they pay more attention to your shirt. So hopefully this video helps you out. Again, What we used in the video here today, this is the black Caesar brick heat transfer vinyl. I used one of my Next Level black shirts here. We used the Graphtec CE6060 vinyl cutter. I used one of the 16x20 Hotronix autoclam heat presses, and then we used the TRW Design Wizard and CorelDRAW software to be able to create a design like this, like that. And all of that stuff is available on our website at therhinestoneworld.com. And make sure to check out our over 3,000 other tutorial videos just like this one to help grow your business or start your business. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to click that like button, click that little subscribe button and the bell right next to it so you get an alert every time we create an awesome video like this. And we will see you guys soon. Later.